Mobile Suit Gundam was created by Yokoshumi Tomino and Sunrise, debuting on April 7, 1979. The original 43-episode TV. Okay, bro, what am I reading? Can we just get on to the video, please? So, I don't know if you knew, but I wanted to build Gundam for a very long time now. In the past couple of days, I really wanted to build some. So, I decided I'd go ahead and buy a Gundam. And I went to Hobby Lobby. So, as you may know, this is my first time building it, so I did quite a few mistakes that I feel like weren't very smart. This is called Unicorn or something, Destroy Mode, I don't know. So yeah, for my first build, I just got a nipper and I just got started. It was also more difficult for me since all the instructions were in Nihonji, and I'm not very good with Japanese, so that was pretty much out the window. So we're going picture mode! Also, I could just not get the camera angle right. No matter what I did, something was not right. I just moved so much, I guess. These boosters are gonna pack a punch. Also, this Gundam is from 2009. This thing is older than me. So I wonder if the build process was a bit harder just because it was an older model. The hardest part was definitely the stickers. I mean, some of them were a nightmare, but I almost got the hang of them. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, come on! Yeah, I'm not joking. 3 days later, I bought another Gundam. I can already feel the addiction starting. Now, for the second Gundam, I was prepared. Well, sort of. So this time, don't make fun of me, but I used my mom's nail file. But hey, it got the job done. Good enough for me. And I was being really careful since I know there's a lot of tiny bits that I could accidentally cut off. Like little connection points and stuff. So I was following the instructions like a hawk. Well, can hogs follow you? Whatever. And I really want to do some like weathering on this Gundam, but I am waiting for a matte clear coat to come before I start the weathering or anything like paint lining or anything like that. Alright guys, it's finished.
Man, shut your...
Why you looking at me like that, bro? I ain't gonna put stickers on. Okay, fine. Ugh, what year is it? So yeah, that's my Gundam journey, and I'll see you in 2 months when I have over 100 Gundam.